Hello, everyone. Welcome to Cassandra's Chinese Food Kitchen. Today we are making a French-style creamy chicken and mushroom soup, but thicken it using a much simpler Chinese method. We need chicken thighs, button mushroom, onion, butter, and cream. Also milk and white grape wine. Japanese same also okay. First, we need to cut chicken thighs. I recommend buying bone-in chicken thighs and chopping them into smaller pieces, because we are going to use the bones to make a simple stock in a moment. But if you don't have a cleaver, don't play the hero. Let butcher help you. Use a knife or kitchen shears or whatever tool you are most comfortable with. Remove the skin and bones from chicken thighs and set them aside. Then cut the chicken into small pieces. If you find any chicken fat, set it aside with the bones and skin. It will add even more flavor to the stock. If you don't want to cut the chicken into small pieces one by one, just change the direction of your knife and chop it a few times, like this. Transfer everything to the plates and set them aside. If you'd like, you can marinate the chicken for a while. Just remember to keep the chicken separate from the skin and bones. The onion should be minced. Cut the button mushroom into pieces. Add some oil to the pot. Fry the chicken meat first. Cook the chicken until it develops a golden crust. Or you can see golden bits starting to form around the edge of the pot. Add some butter to the pan and fry the mushroom. Then fry the chicken bones and skin. If the pan looks a little dry, add a bit more butter or some vegetable oil. Add the minced onion. Cook the onion over low heat, stirring occasionally, until it becomes soft and translucent with a light golden color. Add white grape wine. Scrape up all the brown bits from the bottom of the pan. They are packed with flavor. This is called deglazing. It means loosening the brown bits from the bottom of the pan with liquid to add flavor to your sauce or soup. Now add some water, boil the bone and skin for a while. Seasoning it with salt. Cover the pot. Cook for about 20 minutes with the low heat. Remove the chicken bones and skin. They had already fought the good fight and then we can discard them. If you chop the bones into small pieces, you'd better strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve to catch any tiny bone fragments. You definitely don't want to bite into one. Add the chicken and mushrooms, then cook for about 10 minutes to let the mushroom release their flavor into the soup. Instead of making a roux, We'll use a cornstarch slurry to thicken the soup. Mix the cornstarch with cold water until smooth. Turn the heat down to the lowest setting, then add the cream and milk. If the heat is too high, the dairy can separate and become greeny. Right now, the soup looks yellow and a little greasy, but don't worry. It will turn creamy white after add the cornstarch slurry. Before adding the cornstarch slurry, stir it again. Then start stirring the soup. Keep stirring, in season and out of season. I mean, even if nothing seems to be happening, don't stop. Because in time, the cornstarch will reveal itself. If you keep stirring, you'll be rewarded with a rich, creamy soup. If you don't, you'll be weeping and gnashing your teeth over the burnt black bottom of your pot. Once the soup becomes thick enough, it's served. We don't need to heat it until totally boil, because the chicken and mushroom are already cooked.
超好喝。
My friend absolutely loves this soup. She says it tastes no different from what you'd get at a restaurant. I don't know if it tastes exactly the same as the French version, but it definitely saves you from the trouble of making a Roux. It's rich and creamy, and the chicken and the mushrooms are both full of flavor. Wow, incredibly delicious.